Hi crafty friends, it's Tracy Hines, aka Nanner Banana, and in today's video we are making a very interactive corner pocket. So this isn't anything new, and this is no sew too. That's the other cool thing. So we normally would stick our like tags or what have you right in there. Well, this is a one sheet wonder. It takes an entire 12 by 12 piece of cardstock and it opens up, and then you have all this area that you can journal on or put pictures, whatever you want to do. So that is what we are going to make, and it's really not hard at all. It kind of looks like it's complicated, but I promise it is not. It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, so the first one we are going to do, I'm wanting to make a few of these, but we'll probably just make one together on camera. So take a 12 by 12 sheet of paper and fold it in half. Now you want to get that fold extremely sharp, so whether you use a bone folder or your fingernail, either one would work. And then you're going to fold it the other direction in half. And then you're going to fold it corner to corner. And then corner to corner in the opposite direction. Now, if your paper is directional, when you get ready for the next step, it matters. You want to make sure that you have it going in the direction it needs to be. All right. So now we are going to open this up. This particular scrapbook paper is not directional. We are going to cut along the bottom vertical fold line, and we're going to cut that to the center point. And then we are going to fold it up. And again, if you have a bone folder, you want to make sure you get these folds extremely sharp. So I'm just using the edge of my scissors to do that, but it's definitely something you want to do. All right. Now then, I want mine to open up to where the scrapbook paper is on the inside. So the pretty paper is what I'm going to open up to. So I need to fold mine to where my white side of the paper is showing. Now, if you have double-sided paper, that would be perfect, because then you could just use it from here. You wouldn't have to worry about covering up this white section. And I'm just folding those lines since we went the other direction with it. Now, I already have folded one of these before coming on, and I went ahead and cut out triangles so I could cover this up. So when it's sitting here on the page, it just looks like a normal triangle pocket on my page, okay? But for now, I'm going to set this off to the side, and I'm going to work with this piece here. I want to put a little cluster down here in the corner. To do that, I'm going to put some lace, and it doesn't have to go all the way to the edge to edge. That's up to you. You could honestly decorate these however you want. And then this is just some more scrapbook paper. I'm going to trim that. I'm using some Tim Holtz labels and one of my rooster stickers from the stickers that I told you guys about in a previous video. I will link those again, but remember, I'll also link the free digital that I have for this month, because it has chickens and roosters that you could fussy cut and not have to buy anything, because I'm sure you all have scrapbook paper. And I'm just inking this so you don't have that white edge is what I'm doing there. And then if you want to ink around any of your other pieces, now's the time to do that. Like I said, I'm going to make one for each of my signatures in my journal. So I've got one made. This is the second one. I'm going to make a total of 5 or 6. I might make 6. Okay, and then I need to decide on what little pieces of labels, things like that, what labels I want to use. Go ahead and get those labels inked up. And I'm just sort of pushing that down there to make that where it's not so white. And then put those there. Just grab a couple little pieces here. All right, that'll work. And I am going to start gluing. Now, if you wanted to sew or add a sewing feature to this, you certainly could. With this being separate, it'd be easy to feed through your sewing machine, no problem. I honestly, without planning it, most of the embellishments so far have been no sew, and I know a lot of people like that because they don't feel comfortable sewing on paper with their sewing machine, or it's just not a part of this hobby that they choose to do, and that's fine. None of these embellishments have to be sewed or anything like that. And this is super easy. I love quick, easy embellishments. Those are my favorite because we all have things that we're working on and we want to move on to the next thing. Okay, now I can put my chicken down. Alright, let's put him right there. Put our little label down. Secondary little label. I think that looks nice and layered up. I don't know why I put the lid on my glue just yet, because I need to glue this to my pocket. All right. Go ahead and line that up. And there we go. So the next step is for us to cut a piece of twine to keep this closed when we don't open it up. So we want it to have a closure. You could use ribbon for this. I am just keeping mine kind of rustic. I wanted to keep with that country theme. Now what I did with mine is I turned it over and I used washi tape to hold that down to where when I'm putting in like tags or ephemera, it's not going to get hung up on that piece of twine. And then I just add extra glue because I want it to be secure. And sometimes washi tape is not very secure. So by adding the glue, I feel like it just adds a little bit more structure to it. All right. So let me put this down here. And I will trim this at an angle. There we go. Now you could use masking tape or paper tape, whatever you have. You could just use the glue. You wouldn't have to use the tape. I just don't want it to get caught when I'm putting something back behind there. And then we are going to tie it shut. And we will do any fine tuning to the length. There we go. All right, so here you have it. These are super cute little corner pockets. Let me know what you think. Do you think you will try making one? And if you do, I would love for you to put it on my community tab on my page so I can see what you end up making and can comment and stuff like that. All right, guys, don't forget to keep it cute, keep it crafty, and keep making something out of nothing. Bye.